In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix blank YouTube homepage. Let's get started. If you're seeing a message that says try searching to get started, the first thing you should do is sign into your YouTube account. Once you're signed in, search for a few videos that interest you and click on one of the results. Now watch the video for a few seconds, then return to the YouTube homepage. In many cases, YouTube will begin generating personalized recommendations based on your viewing activity. If recommendations don't appear immediately, try searching for and watching 2 or 3 more videos. YouTube's recommendation system relies on watch history, so viewing a few videos helps it understand what content to suggest on your homepage. If you have already done this and the issue is still not resolved, you can try next method. Navigate to the You page. Now click on the settings icon. Head over to the option Manage All History. Now navigate to the section Controls. From here, you need to enable watch history for your YouTube. So check in for these options, include the YouTube videos you watch, likewise your searches on YouTube, then enable it. Now you can head back and watch more YouTube videos, and that's it. By following these steps, you're gonna get videos in your YouTube homepage. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.